Hey traders. I want to do a little video because I was really bored today. If you don't know why I was bored, go and read my blog on see my last video. I'm not doing too much right now, but every once in a while you got to keep an eye on things, and I thought I'd do a video that would be educational for my clients and my students, and also to help you guys a little bit understand the significance of liquidity and the role it plays in the market, and how when you understand where major liquidity is and you understand how markets react to that major liquidity, you can have a pretty good edge over the market. So this was a trade that I posted on StockTwits today. I just want to show you guys because it's time stamped and you can see it's for real. So 1107, I took a short scalp on the dollar yen at 111.06. So if we go to the dollar yen, the first place I want to start is on the daily. Now, this is a situation where we had lower liquidity that was taken out down here, and the market reacted very violently off of that, and we had a big up move, and as soon as I see lower liquidity get hit and then a reaction like that, my first thought is to find the highest liquidity that I can, and there was some in here, and you can see there was a reaction off of that. When we hit that level, the market kind of stopped and we went higher. We probed this, and this was kind of like the final straw, if you will, and I really wanted to see how the market was going to react off of this liquidity. Now, I'm not going to teach you guys in this video that are not my students how I do that, but my students will confirm that yes, this was kind of the final straw for any short liquidity that was in the market. This is where they would be looking. So when I approached the market today on the intraday basis and started looking at a 30-minute chart, I saw this heavy rejection off of that level, and that was kind of my sign that I could start looking for shorts in this area. Now again, this is very advanced stuff that I don't recommend unless you've been with me for over a year, you tried this trade, but it's a good lesson in understanding liquidity, so that's why I'm doing it. So when I dug down into the smaller time frame charts, I saw this heavy rejection in here, and when I saw the market come here, press higher, and then start to fade, this is where I started looking for some shorts. When I saw this price behavior in here, which was telling me exhaustion, and we got up until I knew 108, 110 was kind of like the highest level it could go, but I actually took the short somewhere in here, and it took a little bit of heat on the trade, and then finally it just broke down like I expected it to, and as you can see, I shouted it out in StockTwits. Let's take that 16 pips and call it a day. Now, there also one other thing I'd like you to pay attention to here. Why did I take 16 pips there? Well, again, we'll use liquidity. Okay? And so again, liquidity to liquidity, liquidity to liquidity. If you want to find out how to specifically use and understand liquidity in your trading, and again, this is just part of what I do. I don't want a lot of people to say, oh my God, I'm going to be a professional trader and just use liquidity. No, there's a lot more that goes on. Understanding liquidity, understanding reactions at liquidity levels, understanding how you can exploit them. But I thought I'd give you a little teaser, a little taste, and give you an idea, and also help some of my students out since I was bored with a more advanced trade that I think would drive home the lesson of always be aware of major liquidity levels, and more importantly, always be aware of the reactions off of major liquidity levels. Anyways, hope you enjoyed that. Thank you, and bye for now.